Hey everyone, I just wanted to provide a quick channel update on the future direction of the channel. I apologize for missing last week's update. I was participating in the second annual hackathon at my school, and I've been working on a video about everything I learned from that experience. As for the upcoming videos, I'm currently working on several courses and individual videos that I plan to release before the end of the year. Here's a brief overview. I'm working on a comprehensive HTML and CSS full course that will cover everything you need to know about these two markup languages. Next, I'll be releasing an Adobe XD full course to help you learn how to create your own web designs before you start coding them. The Java Jedi course is another full course I'm planning to create, which will take you through the popular programming language Java. We will cover everything from data structures to object-oriented programming. Additionally, I'll be offering a Blogger full course and a WordPress course. These courses will teach you how to build and manage websites for clients, whether it's for their businesses or their personal projects. In addition to these courses, I have 5 standalone videos in the works. Please let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to see. Before I forget, I wanted to mention that I'm now offering my services on Fiverr and Upwork, where I specialize in building professional business websites powered by WordPress. If you need a pixel-perfect, responsive, and professional website, you can find the link in the video description. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video.